Hi there, my dear Persian friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. I'm gonna do your year 2025 reading. It is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Pisceans. Just take all the positive messages and energy that will resonate in your situation and leave the rest behind. So, if you will like this reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste. Let's begin. Thank you. So what I'm gonna do here is I will divide it into four. First quarter, which is the first month. Second quarter, which is the 4, 5, 6. And third quarter is obviously the 7, 8, 9, and then 10, 11, 12. Right? Okay. My spirit guys, what are your messages for our dear Persian friends for the year 2025? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Piscean friends for the year 2025? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Piscean friends for the year 2025? Oh, sorry. So this is for the January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Let's see. Um, for our year. All right. Okay. That's it. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Wow. for the career. Okay. I think your year 2025, I'm reading for some of you. Well, because this is a general reading and timeless, I think this is beautiful. It's right in here. Right. For the love, message of love oracle deck, I've got here. Because I'm doing it like a comprehensive reading. Okay. Right. Hmm. Oh, right. For the yes or no, right? Questions. For those who have a question in their mind and seeking for a yes or no answer, then I've got the card in here. Right. Mhm. Okay. Right. For the messages of the cosmic universe oracle cards for the whole entire 2025 for our dear Persian friends. Let's see. Gonna get one card in here. Stop caring about what they think. This is your life to love and live. So ignore others. When they when if you feel like they are gossiping about you, just ignore. Okay, don't let those gossips, rumors affect you. Okay, as long as you are not doing bad things in your life. Okay, so because you cannot please everyone. Okay, that's the universe message for you for the whole year of 2025. Okay, my dear Persian friends, for some of you, for this is your card, beautiful, for January, February, March. Okay, 10 of diamonds. 10 of diamonds, is means there is a changes in your financial status for the better. Okay, this is a money and travel card. 10 of diamonds. Okay, so for some of you, you will be receiving unexpected amount of money. Okay, maybe it's a financial inheritance or maybe a payout. Okay, or maybe someone borrowed money from you and you will not expect that that person will return the money unexpectedly. And this is really a surprise of money. Diamonds is money, and 10 is completion. So what you are wishing, like for example, that hopefully, how I wish I will receive a big amount of money in January, maybe February or March, then it will happen. It will happen. I'm telling you, my dear Piscean friends. Two of diamonds. For those who are in sales, you this is a great card for sales. Your sale, if that's your job or your business, then expect that your business in January, February time will grow. Okay, there's a prosperity and abundance in here. It's again money. And for some of you, for those who have a business relationship, then there is a For some of you, if it's an opposite sex, the two, if you own the business and then you have a business partnership, there is a love affair that is against by your family, friends, people around you. Okay, so there will be a gossip that is going to um, what is this to be revealed. Okay, so if I were you, then as much as you can, then avoid, step back, because it will create a big problem on your side. Well, both of you, because there will be changes in relationship in here that well, in the beginning, of course, you will enjoy, but I think both of you will not be comfortable anymore if the gossips will go round around, because I think both of you in here are both married or both committed. Okay, from the tarot cards for January, February, and March, it's a reversed the world card. This is a major arcana, and it says, for some of you, you feel like you have lack of achievement at the moment. You have disappointments, and as I've said, if this thing will happen, then there will be a disappointment that is going. You are going to feel. You will be very disappointed with the gossips that will happen around your company or in your work area. Okay, so you will be bothered with that, and you will feel like your enthusiasm. Yeah, I think you will feel like you will really you uneasy. You can feel because you're a highly intuitive individual, maybe you're Persian, so I think you will feel like very uncomfortable with that. Okay, you can really feel. So for some of you, there is feeling of lack of success, stagnation, and lack of completion. Don't give up. Don't give up. Believe in yourself. Okay. Message from the spirit guides. Um, from the angels for the month of January, February, March. For some of you, it's the word in here. Okay, it's the word. Maybe this one is it will you will feel here in January, but by the time you will reach in February and March, February or March, then the word is here. Archangel Michael, a job well done. There is joy, contentment, and gratitude, the path toward enlightenment. Okay, so message from the animal spirit guides. It says in here, rescue cut mixed bread. The challenging times are coming to an end now. As I've said, for those who are who are going to feel lack of um, achievement, feeling stagnation, no, it will end up, okay, and soon, and you can now breath a sigh of relief. Let the past go and embrace the happier times ahead. That's a beautiful message for you. Okay, for those who are seeking messages from the spirit guides regarding their job, career, and business, it says in here, roll the dice. Okay? It means time to put yourself out there. You are hiding your talents. So get out from your shell. If you have been hiding and you're so shy, it's time to get out now. Get out now and show to the people about your talent, because Pisceans are very creative people. Okay? You are hiding your talents, and it's time to take a rest and step into the spotlight now. See it? So, for those who are seeking messages from the spirit guides regarding their love romance, it says, mistake. You made the mistakes. Okay. I wish I could right my wrongs. So you are now regretting for those who made a mistake. Okay. Maybe for some of you, play around, even if you are happily committed with someone, then the other half um, give up. So now, or probably it ruined your relationship and it's now becoming bitter rather than being sweet before. So it says in here mistakes. So if I were you, if it's not yet happening, then avoid those to make mistakes. Okay, I wish I could right my wrongs. That's the message from the um, this is an oracle deck message of love. Okay, for those who have one question that seeking yes or no if it will happen, or if it's time for you to do it or to go between from January to March, then it says yes. It says you get a lucky break. It's a successful venture. And do it. It's a successful venture. Okay, for the month of February, I mean, second half, April, May, June, your card, my dear Piscean, for some of you, there is a break in a relationship in here. There is a deceit. Okay, so if it's a romantic relationship, then there is infidelity and separation is most quite likely. Maybe for some of you betrayed your behalf, or your behalf betrayed you and you are giving up now. Okay? Um so that is for some of you, okay? But in here, another card is a wish fulfillment card. Maybe you are wishing that if you just had a suspicious feeling that your behalf is she betraying or is he betraying behind my back or is he doing something, then your wish fulfillment is now going to happen. Yeah, it will be revealed to you. Or if it's not a romantic life, if it's a business um, area, then if you feel like your business partnership is hiding something about, or maybe stealing something, or maybe cheating, or being dishonest with you, if you wish to be revealed in front of you, then it will happen. It will happen. Or maybe you are not comfortable of working with your business partner, then that will happen. Okay. Your tarot card for the month of April, May, June, then the moon. Yes, this is your card, my dear Piscean. Yeah, Major Arcana number 18. It's a no card associated with, this is you, Pisces energy, and aligned to planet Neptune, which is um, ideals and intuition. Okay, and aligned to third eye chakra. It says in here that your intuition is now heightened. So trust your intuition and follow your instinct. Okay. Um, pay attention to your dreams as well, because it's your spirit guides, right? Or you have a spirits, a dear loved one who passed away and is now in the spirit world. They're trying to send you a message. Okay. Um, yes, in here you can feel, or in your dreams it will pop in your dreams that someone, there is a deception that is happening, that is going on in your conscious life. Okay. um so Pay attention to your dreams, okay? From the angel spirits, okay? Your message is number 8. There will be justice. So if someone is cheating on you, lying on you, betraying you, there is justice. Justice will prevail. Okay? Fair and just decisions. Do what you know is right. Stand up for your beliefs. Okay? Your animal spirit guides message, okay, for the month of April, May, and June, this justice. Another number 8, justice. It says elephant. Fair decisions will be made after all the evidence is reviewed impartially. Have compassion for others and try to see all sides of a disagreement. Okay, so just pray, and I said, trust your intuition and pay attention to your dreams because, as I've said, your spirit guides, okay, will send you a message about what's going on. Yes, they will give you the answer. Wow. For those who are seeking or asking messages from the universe regarding their job, career, and business, this is your card, magic. Okay, it says you have the power now. Use your magic to attract what you want into your life. The sky is the limit. So go ahead, go ahead. That is really a positive energy for you. Okay, that is really a green signal. Okay, um, for those um, seeking a messages from the universe regarding their love or romance, message of love oracle deck, chaser. I don't want to chase anymore. That's right. Just wait because your soulmate will just be presented in front of you. Don't chase. Yeah, don't look because there will be a soul connection. I can feel that will happen soon. Okay, for those who just had a broken relationship or still for those who are single. Okay, for those who have one question that is what is this waiting for a yes or no answer, your card is here is no. It says losing part of yourself, missing pieces gone away. Hmm. It says in here that losing part of yourself, missing pieces gone away. All right. It's like that you feel you lack of self belief for me in here. Um no. No, 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 no. If you want to do something and if you feel like I don't think so I can make it or I can do it. No. Don't stop believing. Okay? Believe in yourself. Take a risk. Okay? There's no harm in trying, isn't it? So go ahead. Okay, my dear Piscean fans. Okay, for the month of April, May, June, July, August, September, the third quarter. Oh, your card in here is well, it says it's not a negative card. It says that it's a five of spades. It says in here that opposition and obstacle are just temporary. It is a blessing in disguise. And probably for some of you, you are with a negative or a depressed person. And you know, you are an empath. So if you are with someone who is negative or who are negative and depressed, then you are absorbing their negative energy. So if I were you, then try to be optimistic and don't let yourself be affected with their negative energy. Okay? Um, Remember that opposition and obstacle are just temporary, as what it says. Okay? Don't give up. Okay? Next is okay, for those who are disappointed or for those who have lack of, for those who have, for example, for those who are, who really wanted to build a project or to start a project or to build a business but have lack of money, then there will be a financial aid that is going to be presented in front of you. Someone is going to help you financially for business purposes, and there will be a success in here. Or for those who wanted to apply for a job but don't have enough money to spend for those requirements that is needed, or for those who have not enough money to buy for a suit or like that, then talk to someone, and then that someone is really is going to give you or help you financially to make you just to get what you want. I mean, maybe that job or like that. So as I've said, don't give up. Okay, there is always a rain. I mean, a rainbow after the rain. Okay, so your tarot card message is Six of Wands. It's a yes card. It's a recognition. As I've said, do not give up. Okay? Yes card. And this is associated with Leo energy and aligned to Jupiter, planet Jupiter, which is an expansion and prosperity, and aligned to heart chakra. Okay, so there is success in here, victory, winning energy, and having the advantage. There will be an achievement. As I've told you, um, there is fame in here and a celebration. Yes, you will get it, my dear Piscean friends. Okay, so your angel messages for the month of um July, August, September. It's a knight of air from the angel. It says intelligent. You are intelligent, decisive, idealistic, and tireless. Okay, events that occur with great speed. Take time to carefully review your options, creative solutions. As I've said earlier on, isn't it? That you Pisceans are very creative and very tireless as well. Once you want to do something, you will do it tirelessly. The animal spirit guides message for you for the month of July, August, September. No, June, July, August. Okay. No. Yes, yeah. January, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, the third quarter. I'm sorry. Tree of Spring, Sea Turtle. Stop to take time to review and make long-term plans, capitalizing upon your past successes. It's appropriate to pat yourself on the back for all your accomplishment, but you may also need patience for the next phase to play out. That's right. Okay. 4. Those who are seeking an advice from the universe, okay, regarding their job, career, and business, the future. It says, plan for the future while living in the present. You are always supported by spirits. Your psychic abilities can bring you prosperity. Wow. Okay. Your message of love oracle deck for your love and romantic life. You are now reminiscing. I miss our inside joke. Wow. For those who had a broken relationship, or yes, and being single for a while, then reminiscing your past with the um, loved ones is in here and is our inside joke. Okay. For those who have one question and seeking for a yes or no answer, then it says in here, no. Paths are closed now. Locked out. Do not enter. So, if you are planning to do something, then it says not at the moment. This is not yet the right time to do that. Okay. Oh my God. I need to have another one. Okay. That's just there. For those, okay. That's for the year July, August, September. For October, November, December. Wow. This is a wish fulfillment card. So, by the time you reach October, November, December, for those who have wishes, then one of your wish will be fulfilled. Okay, congratulations in advance for that, my dear Piscean friends. And then now, once you will reach receive that wish fulfillment, you are going to set your goals for another, um, another wish. Okay, and it says in here that you have to use your natural charm. You know, my dear Persians, you are very sweet. You know, you are very once you talk, you know how people will attract to you. I don't know, you have this magnetism, let's say. Okay, so with that, I can really recommend you that you are great in sales. I think yes, because really people will be attracted to you and magnetized to you. So it's in here. Job of um spade. I mean Jack of clubs. So your um tarot card in here is the devil, number 15, major arcana. It's a no card associated with a Capricorn energy and aligned to um, Saturn, which is, oh, right, okay, responsibility and discipline, and aligned to root chakra. It says in here, right, for some of you, those who are suffering from depression, and having that addiction of maybe alcoholism, and for those who are using drugs, then better to start to slowly cut off doing that and try to you know let go of that addiction, okay, and try to be out of that mental depression. It's not yet the end of the world. Okay, look after yourself. Yeah. So it says in here that this is aligned. I mean, yes, aligned to planet Saturn. It says you have to be responsible enough to look after yourself, and self-discipline is needed. Okay, in here. Okay, for the angel spirit uh, guide message for you for the month of October, November, December. It's a page aware, logical, honest, impulsive, and curious. There is, you will be receiving a challenging information in here. Delays or changes to plans. Truth delivered without tact. So expect a delays or changes to plans, but go with the flow. Okay. The animal spirit guides message for you for the month of October, November, December. It's a ragdoll cat. 9 of autumn. Your success has brought you financial security and the reward of much deserved time off to enjoy your own company. So you need to have time off with your family or with your beloved friends. You may suddenly have a brilliant idea for a business or self-employment opportunity that will be very successful. Say, what I have told you earlier on, I think I can recommend you. You will be very good in sales. For those who are seeking an advice from the universe regarding their job, career, or business, there is a progress in here that is happening now or will be happening very soon. It says it seems like a long slug, but your efforts will pay off soon. Okay, so don't feel like you are stagnated in that situation. No, 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 no. Your hard work will be acknowledged and recognized. Okay, it will pay off soon. Stay on course for at least a few more months before making a change. Okay, message of love oracle deck for the month of October, November, December. Oh, please avoid third party situation. Okay, this is about love. Okay, there were other things that got in the way of us being together. Oh my God. I think there were other things that got in the way of us being together. Oh my God. No, I think you better step out from that toxic situation. So, for those who have one question, okay, and seeking for a yes or no answer, it says no. Burning through money, poor investment, broke. All right. So if you feel like for example, if you started the business and you spent a lot of money and it's not progressing, then I think stop it. That is not a good investment for you. Okay, break it. Okay, it says in here broke. Okay, okay. So because this is my first time that I've done this yeah, for the month of January, February, March. Yes, let's say in here, my dear Piscean friends. Okay, oh wow, King of Diamonds. Um, if you are either in a company or in the job, okay, this King of Diamonds is your boss. Okay, the this is a man who is an authoritarian. Um, uh, yes, this is your boss, and this boss will recognize, acknowledge your hard work, and then this boss will recommend you to be promoted. Okay, this boss will, if you, for some of you who applied for a job promotion, okay, then it will be granted. You will get it because it will be approved by this man, King of Diamonds. Okay, so another card, okay, for the month of January, February, March, okay. Oh my God, it's the same. King of Diamonds. Look at that. Wow. King of Diamonds. King of Diamonds. So it is a double confirmation that you will get what you applied for. Okay. For those who have applied for a job, for a promotion, for a loan, if you applied for a new car, for a new investment, for a new project, whatever you applied, you will get it because this authoritarian guy, okay, and this guy is either a Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, will it's double confirmation. This one will really approve or will give you what you want. Okay. For those, I mean, the angel message for you for the month of January, February, March. It's an ace of air. It says brilliant new ideas and inspiration. Seeing the truth of a situation, a challenging beginning. So there will be a new beginning that is going to happen for, as I've said, for those who applied for a new job, for a promotion, then there will be a new beginning in here. Yes, yes, I can feel it in here that it will really happen very soon. Okay, this one jumped out. Forward. Six of Spring. This is your message from the animal spirit guides for the month of January, February, March. Rescued dog mixed breed. You may receive, as I said, you may receive a promotion. See? Be chosen for a scholarship or find that you are singled out for special recognition. As I've said, this double confirmation of a King of Diamonds is really, he will be the one who will recognize your hard work and it will be paid off. You have done an amazing job and you deserve all the attention. That's right. For those who are seeking messages from the universe regarding their job, business or career. Let's see. Connections. Okay, it says build bridges between people. Contact those who can help you. Your actions set you up for the next opportunity. Yes. So as I've said, if you feel like you need to contact this person, then do it. Yeah, it says in here connections. So it's so if you think that this person really, right, will be the one who will help you um in that application, then do it. Do not be shy. Okay. For those who have one question, okay, who is seeking for a yes or no answer, then let's see. Yes, do it. Do it. It says, full of possibility, plenty, creating abundance. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So, let's see. Oh, what is your message of love oracle deck? For those who are seeking for messages for their love or romance life, then sabotage. Oh dear. I mess up the good things in my life sometimes. See, as I've said, avoid the third party, which is going in the fourth um, part of the third party. No, no, no. That is not. I don't. What is this? I don't. If you're not happy with your latest relationship, then better to end up, and then go to that person rather than um, trying to betray someone that you've been with for years or months. Okay, so let's see. I have here a for those who believe the power of crystals. Okay, if you want to have one and always bring it with you or put it in your bedroom or in the living room, then let's see what is good for you. It's a jet, purity and protection. It's a lustrous velvet black stone that can be highly reflected when polished. Okay. Jet is associated with the astrological sign of Capricorn and those ruled by the element of Earth. Jet is a purifying stone known to draw out negative energies, promote inner connection, and banish melancholy. It can be used to purify and cleanse other stones by placing them in a bowl together. Okay, so the general for you, my dear Persian, in 2025, it's beautiful, beautiful, and there are only the third party. And for those who are engaging in addiction or having a depression, then try to move on, move forward, try to step back and step out from that addiction. Okay, but overall, it's a positive year of yes, 2025 is a positive year for you, my dear Persians. Okay, thank you so much. Good luck on your life's journey. And if you like this reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Love and light. Namaste. Oh.